Okay, so for number 10, what is 698 rounded to the nearest 10? You know that 698 is between 690 and 700. So because of the 8, it follows the rhyme 5 or more, raise the score, and you would round up to 700. Chance's baseball card album has 50 pages. There are 6 cards on each page. How many cards are there in all? Since it has the word each, we know that we're going to multiply, and in all, we need to find that total. So we have to set up our problem to be 50 times 6, and we don't panic about it being large because we know that we can circle the numbers that are not 0. And then 5 times 6 is 30, and we're putting the 0 at the end to equal 300. For number 12, considering the following equations that are equivalent, we know equivalent means equal, and we have to make sure to choose 2 answers. So we need to solve this equation first. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 3 is just like we did up here. We're going to do 3 times 2 is 6, and then put the 0 at the end. We know that this equation right here is the exact match to A, so that is one of them. If there's a plus sign, we still have to add. 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 3 is 12, which does not match our 60. For option C, 3 times 4 is 12, times 5 is 60. And for students who don't know their 12s already, what we can do is do 11 times 5, because we know that like the double identity. And 11 times 5 is 55, plus another 5 to be 12 times 5. And that equals 60. So that is one of our other matches, and then we want to still solve that last one. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 times 5 is 10, and when you put those together, you have 16. Okay, and the very last one, this looks like our number patterns that we did earlier, and we worked on these in table groups day 2, but you have to know that it's factors and not add-ins. And so we look at this, and we see that 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, 36 is times 4, 45 is times 5, and then we have to think of 9 times 6 is 54, 63 is times 7, times 8, times 9, and then last is times 10 to equal 90. So then at that point, we just need to match 90, 54, and 27, and that would be option B. And that's it.